Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy upcoming holidays. It's should be Tuesday when I upload this, so happy Thanksgiving early. Hope you have a great day. I wanted to talk about something that was on my mind. And I was thinking about this while I was packing and getting ready, and it's why I can't just do one bag or one backpack when I head out. It doesn't matter if it's a park, a hike, out to the woods, national forest, overnighting, whatever. Why I typically don't just do one pack. So this is my Hidden Woodsman haversack. It's what I use for my Fired Up Fridays mostly, but I've still ended up reaching in here and I'll pull out a knife. I've pulled out the fire kit at times because I simply wanted to use it. Got some fat wood. I've already gone over this bag in another video. Got the Dominator. Love that. Now I've reached in here and pulled out the LT Wright GNS, because maybe I want to take it out in the woods that day. Because I always like to rotate my gear around. I always end up wanting to reach in here and grab something. Got more fat wood in here. And more fat wood in here. I think I got one of my flint and steel sets in here, so I might want to use it. I've got actually I got both of them in here. Got the little snake striker. Got some flint in here as well. So I might want to use that on a particular day. So, because I don't own multiple sets of yet more fat wood. The saw pretty much says how I've left in here, but sometimes I'll want to take it on a day hike just because it's light and small. I don't usually use the cutting board often, but I have before. It just depends on what I'm doing that day, or what I want to do, or what my plan on doing. And unfortunately, it's sometimes why things get left behind, because I'll pull something out of here and then I'll forget to put it back. I'm gonna need the gloves for a bit. So even with this, I made this bag specifically for my Trangia Set Kit, and I've actually reached in here and pulled stuff out for other outings on multiple occasions. I knew I wanted to make bannock, so I reached in and I pulled out this tool here, the little spatula. Got in there, pulled that out. I ended up using this windscreen one time just because I wanted to use the windscreen, so I reached in and grabbed it. Also, and the reason one of the reasons I do that is because it depends on what I'm going to be doing that day. I've actually honestly have planned completely changed my entire cook system based solely on what I'm going to be cooking that day. And since this is going to be up Thursday, I can go ahead and spoil it now. But I'm going to do a grilled cheese today. But because of the bread width, I couldn't. I didn't want to do it in a skillet because I would have to cut the sandwich in half. Is that a big deal? Not really. But the right tool for the right job. I got my Trangia set, if I can get it out of here, because it's got that nice wide frying pan. Come on. There we go. So here it is. Plus I hadn't had a chance to use it in a while, so it allows me to rotate my gear, which I like to do, and it also allows me to use gear I hadn't touched in a while, which I also like to do. So, what else is floating around in here? Oh, I got a fuel canister, butane. It's kind of my thing now. I do have one of my spare fire kits in here. This has not left the bag. All this is lighters and a ferro rod. And some paracord. It's pretty stripped down. Oh, I guess I got some matches in here and one of these little bags, and then on this side is well, nothing. So, it, you know, super scaled down. One of these little super scrapers, which I love. So, I'd actually forgotten I had 2 lighters in here, but then on the inside, you know, on the front pouch here, I just got a P38 and a P52, so in case I bring a can of chicken or something and I need to open it. So, this is just a, wow, of course it doesn't want to go in there because it's on camera. This is just a little Max Edition bag. I think they're like 20 bucks. Might be a little bit more now because of inflation, but. So yeah, just something I was thinking about. Now, I mean, I don't want to go out and have to buy multiple sets of everything just so I don't have to pull a bag apart. Because that's just, you know, while I love buying gear, to me it doesn't make a lot of sense to sit there and buy, you know, 5 of the same thing just so I can have the convenience of having my bags ready to go. So I don't really, you know, it's just what I do. I've tried, and even with this set, I still end up pulling stuff out of here. So, I guess this will be a quick video. I'm going to start cooking something. So, that'll be up before this one. So, I'll link Tailgate Thursday in the description. And let me get to cooking here, and I will appreciate you watching. And let me know what you think in the description. Agree, disagree. I mean, it's easy to say, well, just have one bag, but, you know, I want to use the other gear, so what am I supposed to do? So, I like to variety it up. And that's kind of how I run my videos, too. It's like, you know, I don't want to just use the same, you know, I can easily just screw a stove onto one of these every time in every video from here on out, but to me that's kind of boring, and it's like, I'm not really motivated to use different, you know, not motivated to make videos if I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. So I guess that's another reason why. Mora sitting in here, a little Mora Classic, great knife. Anyway, I'm getting a little distracted, so as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great Thanksgiving if I don't do any videos before then or after this, I don't know yet, and I'll catch you on the next one.